This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Genshin Impact account on iPhone. If you're trying to log into your Genshin Impact account but you forgot your account login credential, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to get back your Genshin Impact account login username and password. First of all, open your Google or Chrome or Gmail application and tap on your profile photo. Tap on your Google account. Again, click on your Google account. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Select the security option. Under security option, scroll down until you get the password manager. Then tap on that. And here, tap on this search box and write here Genshin Impact. Then tap on your Genshin Impact account. Verify your Google account. And that's it. Here you will get your Genshin Impact account login username and password. From here you can copy them to log into your account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.